Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing errors with Epic MyChart or having trouble accessing your medical records, follow these step-by-step instructions to troubleshoot and resolve access issues. Step 1. Verify that you're using the correct MyChart login page for your specific healthcare provider. Different hospitals use different MyChart portals, so make sure you're accessing the right one. Step 2. Clear your web browser's cache and cookies if using MyChart on a computer, or clear app data if using the mobile app. This removes corrupted files that might cause errors. Step 3. Try accessing MyChart using a different web browser or device to determine if the issue is browser-specific. Chrome, Safari, Firefox, and Edge all support MyChart. Step 4. Check that you're using the correct username and password. If you've forgotten your login credentials, use the Forgot Username or Forgot Password option on the login page. Step 5. Ensure your MyChart account is activated. Some healthcare providers require account activation before first use. Check your email for an activation link from your provider. Step 6. If you're getting access denied errors, verify that your healthcare provider has given you MyChart access. Contact your doctor's office or hospital's patient services to confirm your account is active. Step 7. Try resetting your password through the MyChart login page. If access issues continue, contact your healthcare provider's MyChart support team directly for technical assistance, as they can verify your account status and help restore access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.